Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I brought you another recipe, making your own green tea detox. So you can see this is my dehydrated green tea leaves. Yes, it's dehydrated, and ginger. This is dehydrated ginger. So this is a good detox for your body. So if you're looking how to make your own tea, this is a good recipe for you. So this is pineapple, all dehydrated, the lemon, and this is black peppercorn, and the Ceylon. This is Ceylon Cinnamon. Remember what I told you about Ceylon Cinnamon? This is the best for making your tea. Easy to crumble and more sweeter and more healthier. So this is cloves, handful of cloves. So I'll be blending everything all together to make my tea. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much. Thank you for always tagging along with me, always following me, liking my video, commenting and sharing it. I appreciate you all. Thank you. So now I'll be blending everything into powdery, but not very powdery. It's just like it's smashed. You can see it's like I crush it. So this is a good recipe if you are planning to make your own tea. This is a recipe you can look up to and do your own. Very easy to make. Here I'll be using this tea bag for my tea, for storing the tea. Okay, you can see. So I'll be using this scoop as a measurement for the bag of tea. See the level, then I will seal it up. It's so easy. So one thing about making your own thing, if you can do it, why do you need to rely on a store-bought? Something you don't know what is inside. At least you're sure of what is inside. If you are taking it in, you have the confidence because you made it by yourself. So why don't you give this a try? This is very easy to make. All you need to do is to put up your own ingredient and make your own detox. Well, you see, the bag is well sealed. So I made a lot. This will last me at least for 2 months. So I'll be trying out the tea with the hot water, and I'll let it defrost for a few minutes. See all I got. So cool. You can see my green tea, it came out so well. I hope you'll get to try yours. If you can do it, why do you need to rely on the store-bought? Make your own and you'll be happy. Now I'll be storing it into this my Ziploc bag. Hope you get to try this green detox tea. Very nice, and it tastes good. Thank you for watching, and remember to like my video, comment, and please share. And see you again on my next video. Bye.